As I look down from the 100th floor of the Sustainable Life School megaplex, my mind drifts to a time long, long ago in a place far, far away. And I remember how we got here. This is our story. My interest in natural building began many years ago when I came across the first Earthship book by Mike Reynolds at the public library. The idea that you could build a house out of mostly recycled material that stayed effortlessly comfortable year-round appealed to me. In 2006, I met my wife, Mary Jane. We shared a lot of values, including an appreciation of simplicity and a love of nature. We soon found ourselves moving to the Big Sur area of California. While we were there, I began studying natural building in earnest, but the books that really stood out to me were The Hand-Sculpted House and Earthbag Building. Since then, the earthbag method has become my favorite way to build. In 2009, we got some land in the Blue Ridge Mountains and began homesteading. We designed and built a $400 easy yurt to live in while we were building our first earthbag house, a 20-foot diameter round structure. Next, we built a cordwood bathhouse, then constructed a sunroom addition onto our cabin. In 2012, we co-founded Bottom Leaf, a small intentional community, and in 2014, we got land together. First, we helped our other community members build. Then, in 2016, we started building our new house, an Earthship-inspired earthbag home. 2016 is also when we officially created Sustainable Life School, and we've been holding regular workshops ever since.